डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स अँड यूथ अफेरान 28 एप्रिलाक मल्टीपर्पज स्टेडियम फातोर्डा आणि 29 एप्रिलाक कांपाल पणजेच्या इंडोर स्टेडियमात शारिरीक शिक्षण शिक्षकां खातीर खेळगडे आनी हॉटेलियरां खातीर पिकल बॉल डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन वर्कशॉप घडोवन हाडलें. लोकांक ह्या खेळाची वळख करून दिवन फिट दवरपाचो ह्या वर्कशॉपा फाटलो हेत आसा. पळयात.
Outside service change.
We are right now in 18 states and Goa is in 19 states, and our president Sri Arvind Prabhu has a vision about the Goa, that Goa should be the international pickleball hub for the pickleball tourism.
No, what kind of game of this?
This is the combination of tennis, badminton and table tennis. So the exact court size is of badminton, and we play tennis type of game on that. So it can be played by doubles, by singles. It can be played by from 8 to 80. So from the age group of 8 to 80, anybody can play the game.
We have brought this game to Goa so that we can, as rightly said by our treasurer of All India Pickleball Association, how we can utilize this game for tourism, pickleball tourism in Goa. The game is very, very easy to play, and I generally say it as a game which a grandfather can play with his granddaughter or a grandson. It's so very easy, a very stress-free game, and you do not require large place, and it's not a very costly game also. You only require a hard surface and a plastic ball with a slightly bigger size than a table tennis racket, slightly bigger than a table tennis racket, and it's very easy to play. And we want to take this game to every housing society, to every school and to every hotel, so that more and more people play this game and remain fit.
गोवा 365 खातीर श्याम चारी, श्वेता गांवकर आनी मनीषा जाधव.